In this video, I will tell you how to generate QR code free. So PDF, image, link, Instagram, any everything. So first, I back and showing this website. This website you can search this website www.qrcode.io. This website, not forget this icon, QR code generate 100% free. This click here. Open free QR code generated. Okay, if you create click button and then interface here, after that I create like a PDF barcode. So upload a PDF and open, and barcode this, next click and create barcode, again click, few second wait, your barcode at JPG, PDF, which type download. So I JPG download and download, again you download and folder choose your barcode. You can see this is barcode generate. Okay, my PDF barcode like this type, any everything, barcode generate, website, business, video, image, Facebook, Instagram, social media, WhatsApp, MP3 free. Okay, coupon, Wi-Fi. So this video informative, like and subscribe my